In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day with no skill, no investment, and as a complete beginner. I'm going to cover each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn everything and implement everything after watching this video. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this channel. And after watching this video, if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do hit that like button. It will help me to know that you are liking this kind of content that I am creating for you guys. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. First thing is you need an affiliate offer, okay? And we are going to use an absolutely free traffic source that most people don't even know. So if you are watching this video, then you are extremely lucky to find out this free traffic source that converts extremely well, okay? So first thing is you need an affiliate offer, and for affiliate offer you can either join Digistore24, ClickBank, or maybe ShareASale or any other affiliate network that has several affiliate offer, okay? But in this video I'm going to take an example from Digistore24, and you can just visit to digistore24.com and click on this register now and create your own free account on Digistore24 to get affiliate links to promote with this special free traffic source. Once you create your own account, free account on Digistore24, then you can simply log into Digistore and click on this marketplace, and you will see somewhat this kind of interface. And once you see this kind of interface, then what you can do is you can simply see in the top if there is any health and fitness product, okay? Make sure in the top, okay? Always just right after clicking marketplace, you need to see this offer, okay? If there is any health and fitness type of offer, as you can see, Meticore is a health and fitness offer. But if you see any other offer that is in top of Digistore24, then you can just click on here is the health. Where is the health? Yes, fitness and health. You can click on here and find the top offer, okay, that is showing in this Digistore inside this fitness and health. But for now we have this Meticore at the top. So the reason you need to choose this offer is because it is extremely converting well in the real time, okay, in the current time. That's why I'm suggesting you to select this offer. Now first thing what you need to do is you need to copy this image, okay? Just right click and click on save image as, okay? And then let's put it on the desktop. Let's write a name 1-to-1, okay? And then what you can do is just click on this promote now, and you'll get your special affiliate link, okay? Now anyone who purchased this product by using this link, then you are going to get paid. Also sometime what happens, there is no any promote now button, okay? And in that case you can see this is going to be your affiliate link. You can simply click on it, and the funnel, this products funnel will be opened, or you can just click on here and copy this link. This is going to be your affiliate link. Now once you copy your affiliate link, then it's time for us to move to do each and everything, set up each and everything in our free traffic source. And that free traffic source is latestdeals.co.uk, okay? latestdeals.co.uk. Once you visit to latestdeals.co.uk, then what you can do is you will see a sign up button at here. Just click on it and just put your email address, and within some few seconds you will be able to create your absolutely free account on latestdeals.co.uk. Now if I show you how much traffic this site gets, and let's see in similar way. So this site gets monthly visit of 3.4 million, and average visit duration is 3 minutes 38 seconds, and most of the traffic comes from United Kingdom, okay, 88%. So this traffic source is worth advertising, okay? And that also you will be able to advertise for absolutely free in this site. Now to start doing advertisement in this site, what you need to do is firstly click on this share plus, and they will ask you what would you like to share. Then just click on this deal. Now where can you get the deal? As you can see here, this is the place where you need to paste your affiliate link. So now head over to your Digistore account, copy your affiliate link, and come back and just paste your affiliate link in this way, and just click on this and click on next. So as you can see, it is not letting me to go to next step. Okay, this is because this is a brand new account that I have created recently in order to show you. Okay, so whenever you create your own free account at latestdeals.co.uk, then in the same day it may not allow you to post anything. Okay, so now currently I am facing that problem, and it is saying you are a sharing machine. We are afraid you have reached the limit today, but please carry on bargain hunting tomorrow. Okay, so right after today, tomorrow, in tomorrow's date, if I start to do each and everything, then everything will be done smoothly. Firstly, they will I need to paste the link at here. Okay, and then I'll need to put title and description. So now firstly you need to understand this properly. Okay, how you will decide what title and description you need to put. Okay, for that what you need to do is you need to go to Google and search for Meticode review. Okay, the product that you are promoting and review, and you'll find out lots of reviews in this Google search. Okay, and once you find these reviews, then just click on any review. Okay, and then you can read and understand about what exactly that product is about, and find the title from their headline or from their this description. Okay, and you can also use this text as a description of that product. And for image, what you can do is, as I have previously told you to save this image, that image you need to use in latestdeals.co.uk, and then right after completing these 2-3 steps, you will be able to post your free ad in latestdeals.co.uk for absolutely free. And here you can see people are coming here to view these products and services. They are commenting here. As you can see, there are 5 comments, and in that way you will start to receive the traffic. Okay, you can literally make sales as soon as possible, because these are real people. Okay, and most of them are coming from United Kingdom, which is a tier 1 country, to get sales in this kind of product. Now, if you want to take things to next level and make even more money by using other sites that are similar to latestdeals.co.uk, then what you can do is you can simply again search on Google latestdeals.co.uk alternative, and you can scroll below and you will see there are lots of competitor of latestdeals.co.uk that allows you to post your ads for absolutely free. Okay, and you can promote your affiliate product in this kind of sites like latestfreestuff.co.uk, hotukdeals.com, and discountonline.co.uk. You can post ads in a similar by using the similar process that I have already shown you in this video. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video added some value to your life, and if it did, then please do like this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch more interesting and more good quality of videos related to make money online, I have handpicked those videos, 9 videos, and kept all of those in the description of this YouTube video. You can check all of those videos. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.